Do you need an MBA degree to become a successful data analyst? I get this question very often from students and especially from early career professionals. It is a valid question as MBA is a prestigious degree that can open up lots of doors for you. But does it really matter for you, especially if you want to become a data analyst? What do you think? You can put that in the comment below. In next 10 minutes, I will try to explain in detail what is the real reason you should do an MBA, which part of the degree matters and which does not. And finally, to become a data analyst, what are the few alternative courses you might take if you don't want to do an MBA. Hello friends, I am Mosam. Welcome back to Data Bicep. On weekdays, I help big companies to set up data analytics and artificial intelligence teams, and on weekends, I mentor aspiring young minds. If you have any thoughts, ideas or suggestions, please put that in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to Data Bicep for the weekly feeds. So let's begin. If you are following Data Bicep for a while, you might already know that I have done my MBA from IIM Bangalore, which is one of the best B schools in India. And now every year, I hire many MBA grads from many B schools globally. From that experience, I can say that the real answer to the question is, it depends. And it depends on what do you want to achieve in your career. If you are looking to work in a senior level position at a large company, or if you want to go into consulting, then an MBA can definitely be helpful. It will give you the business skills and the knowledge that you need to be successful on those types of roles. However, if you want to work in a more technical role, then MBA is probably not a necessary skill for you. There are plenty of other ways to learn the skills that you need to be successful as a data analyst. But in reality, I have seen many technologists doing MBA after spending 8 to 10 years in the industry. So the question you should ask, if I want to shine in the world of data, what is the real value of an MBA degree? And how is it going to help me as a senior data analytics leader in future? These questions are more pertinent today because expectations from data analysts and how they work has changed significantly in last 1 year, especially with the advancement of artificial intelligence. So if you ask what is more important for a data analyst in 2023 and beyond, I would recommend you to watch this video for details. The link will come somewhere on the top. But in brief, at least you need to have a strong analytical skill and knowledge of a few technologies like SQL, Python, Tableau, etc. so that you can collect data, clean it, analyze it, and find insights. But you know, that's not the most difficult part. And it's almost guaranteed that AI will augment or completely automate these processes in just next few years. Eventually, company will pay less to someone who can do only the technical part of data analysis. So the real value is in putting those insights into business context, aligning that with business strategy and providing something on which businesses can take action. And in order to do that, you need to have a fairly good understanding of business strategy, business value chain, and business finance. I guess most of you come from engineering, art, science, or technology background. So you do not learn these in any part of your curriculum. And if you are coming from chartered accountant background, maybe you learned a bit of that. But let's accept only a tiny fraction of the population learns it as part of their curriculum. And most of the time, an MBA curriculum fills that void. And apart from that, if you do your MBA from a prestigious school, you get one more crucial thing that can sometime make or break a career. I will talk about that just in few minutes. So, if you're in a dilemma whether to go for an MBA course to advance your career in data analytics, the short answer is yes, you should. The next obvious question is, If you go for an MBA, where should you focus more? Let's be honest, MBA is a very dynamic study. Almost all colleges try to improve their curriculum as the industry advances. Because of that, sometimes a few courses names sound a little crazy and many love to add business analytics at the end of any subject they offer. Primarily, it is to make those subjects look more professional. Honestly, all these courses add little value, but what extent is questionable. So during your MBA, my suggestion would be to focus on three broad subject areas. The first one is corporate finance and accounting, where you will learn fundamentals of profit and loss accounting and how to back a business strategy with financial modeling. It will be absolutely crucial for anyone who wants to grow in his career. The second one is corporate strategy or competition strategy, where you will learn how to analyze a business from different point of views. You will learn multiple frameworks to analyze and present business cases. These courses help to develop the fundamentals of storytelling, which is again a very critical skill for a successful data analyst. The third one is organization behavior, where you would know how to build or maybe not to build an organization. Trust me, most MBA grads find it boring while in school, but I guarantee you that you will realize the need of this knowledge in every step of your corporate life. And finally, do not spend all your energy in studying. Try to build a network as early as possible. And this is the secret offering of a prestigious MBA school. These schools offer you an access to exclusive network that is typically very hard to penetrate otherwise. More you move towards a senior position, more you would realize the value of the network that you create in those schools. So now you tell me, do you think MBA is necessary for a successful data analyst career? If you're still looking for an alternative, I strongly recommend watching this video for alternative option. The link will appear at the top of the screen somewhere, and I will also include it in the comment section. In that video, I provided 10 free and freemium courses that can help you to learn data analytics and artificial intelligence step by step. But that's primarily the technical part of it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching Data Bicep. We will meet again next week. Till then, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Data Bicep. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.